hope you got some ideas on how you can create your own centerpiece. And the bunny tail is so cute. And bunnies are not just for Easter. Hi there, I'm Shelley. Welcome to Harvesting Heritage. I was at the Dollar Tree and I found this cute bunny tail. And I remember seeing on Pinterest some centerpieces done out of the bunny tails. So I thought I would look around the house to see what I had just in leftover items. I found a big pot that I had left over from Christmas, and I went to Lowe's and I bought a 50-pound bag of sand. And yes, I did get it into the back of the truck okay, but to get it out and into something that I can dump the sand into the pot that I have, I think I've come up with a way I can do it. So come along with me and we'll see what we can put together today. So here are the items I brought out. I did find a spot in the laundry room with the counter large enough I could work on. I have my hot glue gun, and this is the leftover container that I had from Christmas, and this is a sand I got this morning, but it's a lot wetter than I thought it would be, which might be good. If it dries out, it'll keep the items in place. I have my bunny tail, some clippers, I have my carrot seeds, and this I thought I could hot glue the carrot seeds on so it sticks out of the pot, but also if it's not tall enough, I have some large tongue depressors and some smaller tongue depressors, some glue, E6000 if I need it, and then Hobby Lobby was having their 40% off sale, so I have some carrots that are orange and white gingham and some other carrots, so we'll see which looks the best. But that is not going to be enough, so I will have to make another run to Hobby Lobby, I think. So the first thing I'm going to do is see how high these are. I cut my carrots off. I might need a little more sand. Let's see. Do I want it that size or do I want it this size? Let's go with the taller one. Put it in the middle. I think I will go out to the garage and get a little bit more sand. I'll do that now. So I'm back with more soil, and I remembered that I had a whole bag of edible carrots. So I thought that might be nice to put in rather than the fake carrots, though they don't have tops. So what do you think? The real carrots or the fake carrots? I could, I suppose, find some tops and hot glue the tops on. I might do that. I think that the carrots will stay okay because I had gourds outside for October through November, so a good month and a half, and they stayed fine. Oh, I think he's a little too long. Ugh, some of these are just way too big, but I think I can find some small ones. Yeah, there's some small ones in here. Then I think I'll do flowers in the back. Yeah, that one the bunny's after. I don't want them all the same height. So I'm going to mess around with that and head over to find some flowers. I just spoke to my mom and she thinks the carrots are going to wilt. So I have to go to Hobby Lobby anyway. And I am going to go see if they have any of the carrots that are fake. And then some other things to finish that centerpiece. Okay, day 2 of the carrot patch centerpiece. I'm back in the laundry room and I think I have all the parts and pieces to finish. I did go to Hobby Lobby last night and picked up some more carrots, but they didn't have the exact carrots that I used to begin with, so I just picked something that was close. And I ran over to the Dollar Tree store and picked up some flower picks. I also got some sticky letters so that I can put the carrot patch on the front of the pot. These are horrible letters. The white just wasn't punched out in between the little spaces in the A, so I got a utility knife and cut it out, but that makes for certain that there's no glue left on it, and I don't want to put a lot of hot glue on it because it makes it stand higher than the rest of the letters. So just want to get a very little bit on. See if I can do this. Okay, so these are the carrots that I could find. This is the first one I got at Hobby Lobby, but it has this type of a carrot top on it, which I don't care for. These are the ones that I got last night, and they have more of a carrot top, not just this felt. So I bought this. I think that I can just clip off the top, and then I took the felt off last night, and there is a hole in the top of the carrot, if you can see that. And so I think I should just be able to push that right down in there and then have a better carrot top. I think I'll put a little bit of hot glue just to hold these flyaway little should do it. Should hold it when it dries, yeah. Now we'll put our bunny back in. You like him hanging over the pot? Did he get caught going in? pull those out, cut a top off, hot glue it in. So I think I'll work on putting the flowers in the back of it before I put any more of the carrots in. Probably don't have to shorten them, but just in case. That one's got a few wires in it. Always open up your picks, makes them look more full. Because when they get to the store, they've been in a container for so long, they're all just squashed together. This one has some pretty little yellow flowers as well. Then I couldn't find any more of these. I couldn't find any more of these kind of carrots, but I found these carrots inside a little package, and the package that I bought these in were the same price as this, but with this I got a couple more flowers. So I'm going to tear this apart and use the flowers and the carrots. Man, that's like a chunk of concrete. So we have a little bit of lavender I can put in. Oops, it's going to fall apart. Okay. One more. I'm going to add the rest of this in, but not until I put some moss on the bottom to hide the sand. I just picked this moss up from Hobby Lobby as well to do a different project, and this is just the leftovers that I had. $1.25 flower picks from Dollar Tree are really nice because they're wired. A lot of the cheaper flower picks that you get are not wired, and then you can't move them. So for the price, you can't beat that. Maybe I'll switch these two. Put this one back here and put this one up here. There. And here's the end result. I did end up taking the carrot patch letters off the front because they just would not lay flat. And tomorrow I'm going to take off my tablescape that I had for spring, and I'm going to put this there for a month until summer is here, and I'll change it out to bees. I hope you got some ideas on how you can create your own centerpiece. And the bunny tail is so cute. And bunnies are not just for Easter.